Hi guys, today's video I'll be showing you how I achieve this simple hairstyle.
Freshly washed.
I just finished washing my hair. Today is my washing day. Today I washed my hair and I'm going to brush it with a hot air brush. I'm also going to braid it today. Just wait and see how I'm going to transform my look in 2 minutes. Okay, don't go away. I just continue watching and see the outcome of this hair. I promise to show you how I achieve my Easter simple hair routine as a washing day. And so if you want to see how I achieve this simple hairstyle, this simple hairstyle, you can use it to wherever you want. Just rock it. Yeah. I'm happy that I do it to my taste, and that is beautiful and gorgeous. So here I'm brushing it with my hot air brush. You know, I don't know that my hair is too strong like this. I don't know that this hot air brush can. It's somehow, when I was using it to comb my daughter's hair, I thought it's not painful. It is painful, sure. It is painful, but not so much, okay? But you know, I'm just doing it in a way too fast. I don't even care whether it is paining or not. What I want my hair to strengthen I want to strengthen my hair before I can make it, you know? Okay. If you are braiding your hair and it is not straight, sometimes it doesn't look good. So I decided to brush it a little bit before I can embark on my braiding. So here you can see how the structure is. It made my hair to grow for, like, give it some inches more. You can see. So I just combed it to my pairs before I get started. So let me just allow you to watch to the end. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share this video, and also subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So see the rest of the video, guys.
Inspiring, check. Educating, check. Entertaining, check. For food, we did. For vlog, we did. Lifestyles and product review, all in Chikwado space. Nkuman, Ijele one, Abdadila. Since Chikwado space, channel.
I go down the road, be there. I go down the road, be there. I go down the road, feeling bad all along, ain't gonna be feeling this way. I'm gonna enjoy money. I'm gonna enjoy.
lifestyle, and more. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like and comment.
Looking for a place to learn how to cook, Chikwado space. Ezibondiga uloguma, Chikwado space. For intercontinental dishes, Chikwado space. For lifestyle and products reviews, Chikwado space. I mean you want to be happy and jolly, Chikwado space. Chikwado space, oh, Chikwado.
She's going to be part of us. I have to take care of her.
Lifestyles,
I told you.
all in Chikwado space.
This is Chikwado space channel. Oh, this is Chikwado space channel. Oh, if you are looking for a place to learn how to cook, Chikwado space. Ezibondiga uloguma, Chikwado space. For intercontinental dishes, Chikwado space. For lifestyle and products reviews, Chikwado space. I mean you want to be happy and jolly, Chikwado space. Chikwado space, oh, Chikwado space.
We do food, vlog, product review, and lifestyle, and more. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like and comment.
This is Chikwado space channel. Oh, this is Chikwado space channel. Oh, if you are looking for a place to learn how to cook, Chikwado space. Ezibondiga uloguma, Chikwado space. For intercontinental dishes, Chikwado space. For lifestyle and products reviews, Chikwado space. I mean you want to be happy and jolly, Chikwado space. Chikwado space, oh, Chikwado space.
Ọ na-afịa arụ na mmụta mana i were nkasi obi ị ga-amụta akwụkwọ inspiring check